Hey, so I got my engine out and doing some work. Don't ask me about it. I'm learning a lot. Anyhow, decided to take a chance or take the moment to tidy up some things and some other things I've been thinking about because, if you're watching this video, then you probably like these things too. And when you drive around, you analyze all the noise, trying to figure out what's what and where's what's coming from. And anyhow, I've been having a hard time the whole time getting the exhaust manifold to seat just right. So they're aftermarket headers. And so wanted to share with you all what I'm doing today to remedy that. Flipping over here. And so we've got these 4-to-1 headers, and these things are known for being bad because when they're welded up, the heat distorts the metal and all the things. And so I've actually been at it for a while. I've got this machined flat bar that I used on another video with some sandpaper on it so I can get everything like totally flat. And so yeah, you can just see how off it is with everything. Like here, I've been removing metal for a while here, and then there's still isn't sealing quite right there. You can see how where you can feel the groove here where the casting was off a little bit. It's leveling that out. And you see there's the huge gap here, and this is where I've been having exhaust leaks. So, I mean, it makes perfect sense. But you see how where it's starting to get there. And this one's getting close, but down here where there's been a leak as well too, and just a little bit up there. So anyhow, that's what I'm working at. Not really a whole lot to show you other than just boring stuff. Sanding. But this is how I'm doing it, and this is going to help out greatly if you're putting in any kind of aftermarket headers. Probably not a bad idea if you're doing, I don't know, just all your surfaces when you're rebuilding your engine to make sure everything just like mates up like exactly and it's smooth and the gaskets are happy and all those things. So anyhow, short video, but just wanted to share how awesome that tool is. Got it. You can get someone from a machine shop to make one for you. I got a friend who works at a machine shop, and he's like, oh, I just grabbed it from scrap and was just happy to share. So anyhow, later.